In this video, we will be talking about amino acids. The first question asks us to draw all possible forms of lysine and to select the Zwitter ion along with calculating the pI. The structure of lysine is given and the pKa's of the acidic protons are given as well. In order to do this problem, we have to recall that if the pH is less than the pKa, we will be in a protonated state, and if the opposite occurs, we will be in a deprotonated state. Since we have 3 pKa's, we are going to have 4 possible forms. The first form is going to be the most acidic, so that would be when the pH is less than the first pKa, which is 2.18. If pH is greater than 2.18 but less than 8.95, you can see that the overall charge decreased by 1. If we increase the pH further, somewhere in between 8.95 and 10.79, we can see that the pH is greater than this pKa and along with this pKa, but less than this pKa. For our final form, that would be a pH greater than 10.79. Our Zwitter ion is going to be this form here, because that is when the charge is overall neutral. To calculate the pI, we have to add 2 pKa numbers and divide them by 2. The 2 pKa numbers is going to be 8.95 and 10.79. 10.79 is the upper limit, 8.95 is the lower limit. If we do the calculation, we get 9.87 as the pI. We use 8.95 and 10.79 because if the pH was any greater than this number, the Zwitter ion would not exist. And if the pH was less than this number, the Zwitter ion also would not exist. For the next question, it asks, what is a disulfide bridge? How do we make it? And if we are going to be doing oxidation or reduction. So a disulfide bridge is going to be 2 sulfurs linked together. Now, in order to create this, we can use thiols and we can do a reaction to get the disulfide bridge. Now this reaction is going to be oxidation because we are decreasing the number of hydrogen bonds. For the specific reagents, your book states that Br2 in basic conditions is a commonly used reagent. For the last question, for peptide sequence, what is used to protect the N-terminal amino acid and what is used to activate the C-terminal amino acid? So to protect the N-terminal amino acid, we're going to use TBOC, TERT-BOC, or just BOC. And then to activate, we will use DCC. That concludes the video on amino acids.